What's going on, Dirty Maintenance Nation? I'm going to shoot a quick video on how to replace a washing machine timer. This one's a GE, but it's all the same stuff, but different brand name. Same crap inside of them, just a different name on the washing machine. I've worked on hundreds of them and it's pretty much the same concept. This is the model and serial number. If you ever wanted to order one, I just call GE, give them the model and serial number, and they mail me what I need. This is my new one right here. And it's just 3 screws to get to it on the back here. Screw here, one in the middle, and one down at the end. First thing you need to do is pull the handle out. There's going to be a little white tab in there. Let's see if I can get some light on it. There's a little white right there. Just got to push that up. And I pull it out with some needle nose pliers. Just like that. And your handle will come right off. Oop. That's it. It's pretty much plug and go. You just unplug it. That's it. There's a little nut screw here. Loosen that and it'll come right out for you. Pop the new one in, plug it in, you're done. Sometimes you got to give it a twist. Here we go. The old one. Grab our new one. Here we go. It's locked into place. Screw it back down. And plug it back in. There we go. That's it. Now to put your knob back on. You want that little piece right there to go into that slot. If you don't, you're going to break that little plastic piece off and then you're screwed. How do I know? I've done it. And you pop this on, just slides on, and you put your little tab piece back in, and you're all done. New washing machine timer. Alright, I hope this helps out some of you new guys. Easy as that, plug and go. Thank you for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.